let's go see if my old sticker's here. What? Oh, I think it's still there. What's up, Alpha? Look at it. Still there, man. I've yet to be kicked out of a spot. Try not to jinx myself, but you know. I love having a Grom. I don't have a lot of places where I was practicing. I always imagined I'd be like out here riding and then somebody would ride by and see me and then come join me. I don't know why I always thought that, but I feel like if I saw someone doing wheelies, I'd go join them. I don't know, it's just a weird thought. If I get a flat tire, it's your fault. Well, I'm sure the view is just a little bit of dirt and blackness. That's pretty much what I see too. Off-roading, what's this say? Ha! No motor vehicles. This is some, wait, there we go. Ooh, there we go. No, officer, I didn't see those 13 signs that said no motor vehicles. Not even one of them, I swear. Honestly, I don't know where the fuck I'm going at this point. Ooh, I think I saw a bat. And stare off into the blackness of uncertainty as we proceed. Oh yeah, this is fucking content. Look at that. He's got a little rocky. That's different. Ah! Wish I could see farther though, a little bit. A little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. Let's take a little peek. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to do more of this, make sure there's no wire here so I don't cut my fucking head off. And we're good. I like that. I think I'm gonna do some more Baker inspired adventures. Oh, COVID testing. No, we ain't trying to COVID test. No thank you. Already had it. Let's try over here. Oh, look at it. What the fuck is this? A road test? My friends, I might have stumbled onto some sort of MSF course. Which is the perfect cover, by the way, to what I'm doing here. Look at this. Is this MSFE to you? Y'all hear me chop the throttle? Yeah, I got scared. Oh, you kicked out of this one? We'll just leapfrog to the next one. Damn it! Why? Why did I chop? Oh, you gonna fall down? Yes, it's gonna hurt. Probably. That was a little break and a little chop. How come nobody said it was gonna be so hard to learn wheelies? What I've noticed too is like there's always a lot of people walking around, but nobody seems to think, oh, he kind of looked, or she kind of looked. So I've had curious people, right? There's been curious people, but I haven't seen anyone that's been mad, which is, I assume, because the bike is so fucking cute. Am I brave enough to do it in here? This looks like an eat shit kind of area. Oh my god. Either do it right or crash. It's a good motivator, yeah. I was quite motivated to not die. A Grom! Oh, I'm gonna chase that son of a bitch. He sees me. Oh, he sees me. Curse you, light. Man, now he's gone. Oh yeah, he's looking back. Bro knows what's up. Meow. What's up, man?
Where are you going?
I'm just riding around.
You riding around?
Yeah.
You want to mob together?
Yeah, I can go for a little bit.
So which way you want to go?
I don't know, whatever you're feeling.
Yeah,
I
like going up Peoria, up and down Peoria, fucking, or shit, if you want to head back towards like Bell.
Yeah, we can go that way.
If you want to try to stay this way, I don't care.
It doesn't matter. I mean, I got a while.
I like the scenery around Bell. I just think the lights are cool.
Yeah, it's cool down there. Yeah.
You want to go that way?
Yeah, that's cool. Well, that was unexpected, but pleasant surprise. Yeah, gearing up for the AZ Grom ride. I'm definitely going to that. That's probably going to be the big video that I film. The Halloween one, that is. See if I can meet up with some of my old friends.
Are you part of like the Grom squad and all that?
Yeah, I just joined with them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you new to town?
No, I lived here. I just haven't had a Grom for a while.
Oh, okay, right
Yeah.
on, right on.
That's just what I was going to ask him. Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that. The old school first gen's got an orange dash. Mine's got a blue dash. What do you know about that? I didn't even realize that shit. That's kind of cool. It's cool that it matches his bike and this matches my bike. That's pretty cool.
I wish I could do that.
I'm getting there, man.
I couldn't even do that much.
I'm on like day 6.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I can't. You know there's a basket on too.
Oh, yeah.
Remember that place, Rita's? It used to be right here. It was called Rita's. It's like Italian ice.
I remember it being here. I don't think I ever went in there though.
Dude, it's so good.
They took the GameStop too.
What's up?
The GameStop's gone too.
Oh shit, that's right.
Yeah.
You down to go to 59th and Union Hills?
Let me text my wife.
Dude, you gotta try this, dude. It's so good. You wanna take this way back?
Yeah, that's fine. Same way, yeah.
Dude.
On an adventure to try some, what did he say? I think it's ice cream. Fucking wind almost took me out right there, Jesus.
I haven't done that in so long, dude.
This is so loud, dude.
That one was pretty loud. So they held that for a while.
Yeah, I need some too, pretty bad.
Oh, dude, look at that. That's flat as hell.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
I really like the Mistos. It's like the gelato with the Italian ice blended together, and it's almost like a drink.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, and I like the cotton candy.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of flavor profile you like.
That sounds good.
Do a cotton candy Misto? Alright, can we get...
What size is that? We got a small and a large.
Let's go large.
I'll do a small one.
You want... I'll pay for it.
You sure?
Yeah, I got it. No
Thanks, man.
Yeah, too large.
Gonna make me struggle trying to carry that thing.
In the basket, dude.
I guess that's... Oh, money's escaping.
This was 12 here.
Sorry about that.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, I dragged you all over here. Yeah, I've been craving one of these for a while now.
I'll have these out for you in just a minute.
Alright,
Thanks, man. Not gonna lie though, that Rita's is fucking good, man. Surprised I never had that before. My wife's like into all that. I just hope that cotton candy is not staining my coach bag. My wife would be pissed. Not bad, not bad. If I could fall in my face. I'll fall on my face. Oh. He lost his drink. I thought the crate was solid, man. Well, I guess I'm glad I didn't put my drink in there. I'll see you around, man.